Good morning, guys. It's been a while since I've done any of these kinds of reviews. Today we're going to jump right in here and we're going to talk about the ThruNite. This one is the Catapult V2 Mini, as you see right here. Or if you want to call it the Mini V2, however you want to call it. But look at the size of this sucker, all right? This right here, my middle finger, it's exactly as long as that. Now this little light, I will be using this. I have a side job coming up. Got to be in the attic. Now, I probably won't use this exclusively in the attic, but I will be using it. I'm going to take it up and show you guys how bright this sucker is. It's really amazing. If you take one of them bendy straps, you can put this thing anywhere you want. Now, I also use the ThruNite headlamps exclusively, all right? Those things are one of the best headlamps I have ever stuck on my head to use. This thing right here, I'm going to tell you what. If you can't afford to put this in your pack to carry when you're hiking, camping, working, or just taking your dogs for a walk, then you're missing out on a beautiful, beautiful light. The crisp beam of this thing is amazing. Let's take this apart and look and see what you get in here. Now, I've just got it, and I'm going to take this out and show you guys on the job site. I'm going to also show you, normally like I do, take it outside, show you the beam. I'm going to take you in the daytime, show you where I'm going to shine it so you guys can get a very good feel, see what's around, and then you can make your mind up how good this light actually is. Now, what you get, you get the little foam, of course, and you get your charger. Now, some of the stuff I already took out of here, like the charger, because I needed to use a charger. But we're going to go over the specs very quickly. If you want to bypass this, I will leave timestamps down below so you don't have to see and listen to all my little sayings about this specs of this. So the output of this thing at turbo mode is 1108 lumens, drops down after 80 seconds to 358 lumens for 62 minutes. On high, it's 331 lumens for 68 minutes. On medium, 160 lumens for 2.75 hours. Low is 70 lumens, 6.6 hours. Firefly, 0.6 for 85 hours, and strobe for 331 lumens for 73 minutes. It'll shine a maximum of 515 meters. It's IPX8 rating, which is waterproofness, down to 2 meters. All right, it has a little lanyard right here that, I never usually use a lanyard. However, I will probably use this lanyard on this light because you probably don't want this thing to get away from you because it is small. And, if it falls down in a pile of insulation, if it's blown in or whatever, potentially could lose it. So I'll probably go ahead and stick the lanyard on here as soon as this video is over with. I'm going to take you probably in the next 2 days or so because it's pouring down rain right now today. Take you and I'm going to show you guys the place where we're going to shine this at nighttime. Hopefully we won't get in trouble. And show you around so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. And then we will come back here for the final review of this thing. I'll tell you what I think of it and everything. So stick around. I'll show you the job site here in about 2 days or 3 days or so. I'm going to use it for a week or so, and then I'm going to come back and give you my final thoughts. So be ready for this. I'm going to enjoy my coffee, and I'll see you guys. All right, as promised, I'm up here in the attic. Now, I want to show you guys, first of all, you see this light here? I use this light daily. When this one goes dead, I use this one. These are just such high-quality lights, guys. I mean, you can see this thing has been used repeatedly. I'm gonna turn the light off here and show you, but like I said, the main reason I wanted to come up here is just show you guys this right here. So I'm gonna light up the area with this light. If you got a spotlight over there or whatever, you're gonna be able to use this light and you're gonna see an amazing beam. All right, it's almost pitch dark, but it's it's light outside, so if you go back this way, you can see but there's pretty much nothing. But let me show you with the headlamp first, just so you can get an idea. I mean, the headlamp is amazing. Now, that's what I usually run it on. This is high, right there. So it's pretty damn bright. Now, let's show you the Catapult Mini V2, how incredibly bright this thing is. Ready? All right, this is on low right here. All right. This is number 2, number 3, and then full bright. Now I'm going to flip around here and show you the same thing this way. All right, there is, right there, that is the Firefly mode. I want to show you. There's nothing. And there's the firefly. All right, let's go low first. All right, or medium, high, and then turbo. Crazy bright, guys. So if you guys are in, I mean, look how far you can see. It's crazy. We're gonna take this outside obviously too, but I just wanted to show you this so you can see. I mean, it's amazing, guys. All right, you're gonna have to forgive the wind now. I'm at a rifle range here, and you can see what we're gonna see when I come here tonight. Now, I'm gonna guess that from here to the edge of the road, which is about right at my fingertip, is roughly about 60, 70 yards. So, you know, we're gonna be able to see all the way up through the wood line here, and this is where we're gonna come. Set the tripod up right here, and we're gonna do the testing, and I hope you guys will be able to see exactly the beautiful light, how crisp it is now. You hear the gunshots? Sorry about the wind, guys. I didn't bring my wind muff, so anyway, we'll see you back here tonight. All right, and what I'm gonna do here is that's about a little over 100 yards at the end. I think what I'll do is I'll come back here at the very end and shine the distance. Now, over there is a little substation, so there's gonna be lights coming from that, but you can see I'm on National Forest here. But this is where we'll come. We'll come right here at the very ending, and I'll shine up. I'll shine you this tree. I'll show you again tonight, and then show you the distance, how far it really does shine. Okay, we have just made it. We're out here. I'm gonna put on the lowest. I'm gonna shine myself first, and then we'll go from there. This is the very lowest beam. I don't know if you can see me or not, but this is it, and it is pretty daggum bright. Let me let you see the ground here. I mean, it shines enough to see a pretty decent distance. All right, let's go ahead, get the camera set up again, and let's go ahead and turn that off. All right, we'll go to the low beam. All right, there's a low beam. Now, that is where I showed you coming in here, okay? That is the lowest, and you're gonna have to forgive me for the wind because it is really windy for some reason. All right, that's low. Here's medium. That's medium. Pretty decent. You can see pretty good. I mean, look how far you can see way up to there. Here's high. That's really good, guys. All right, and here's turbo. That's like the flood and the hot part of the beam is unbelievable, guys. That is nuts. You got to admit it, guys. All right, let's turn it off. All right, let's do the strobe just for, you know, because everybody's favorite. That's a strobe. So anyway, we're not going to use that. Hopefully we'll never be lost. All right, let's go down to the next part and check out the long distance beam now, the real long distance, so you guys can get a feel of it. All right, I want to show you, there's the tree with the red on it. Now we're going to go ahead and swing around here. I'm going to turn this light off, and I'm going to show you the incredible beam. This is going to be high beam right off the bat. You ready? Get ready. Oh my God. Bro, the amount of light is crazy. That's turbo all the way. All right, let's do the low. All right, pretty decent, right? You can see the little gate and everything. All right, we'll go medium, which is pretty decent still. High, which is, I mean, come on guys, you can see. And then turbo, boom. Crazy bright, goodness gracious. Huh. You can see it's not even dumbed down yet at all, so you know it's got a good charge on it. It's just amazing, this light, it's great. I mean, for the price, guys, crazy, crazy bright. What y'all think about that, guys? This light, I'm telling you, is amazing. You saw firsthand how bright it was. Now, JOBSITE, like I mentioned, you know, I didn't exclusively just use this, but I did lay it down after we got off the camera or whatever. I laid it on the duct there so I could shine. Now, the only bad thing about doing that is when you're coming back through the attic, you know, I have a tendency, like a moth to a flame, stare at that beam, and then I was like, oh my gosh. Well, I was really blinded at that point. So you need to be cautious of that. So if you're going to use it, you know, like I did, I laid it down because it's kind of got a flat spot. Laid it down there, then roll. Don't stare at the beam. Kind of cock it to the side because believe me, the flood of it actually lights up your attic. Excellent, guys. Now, you know, if you're going to go in an attic, obviously you should wear a headlamp like I showed you in my video, because my opinion is just because you have one light doesn't mean it's going to last the whole time. Now this one here has got a huge battery. I'm going to show you guys real quick. So to take the battery off, you just, or take the battery out, I mean, you just take it out like that, all right? And it's a 1100 milliamp hour battery. So it's a pretty decent sized battery for the light. Now don't get me wrong, there's bigger flashlights with bigger lights and all, but with batteries and all, with more power. But for what you get in this little Powerhouse, it's pretty amazing. And you guys know earlier in the video, I told you how much hours and minutes that you get with each and every single one of these. Now, I do like the lanyard on this one. Like I mentioned, I'm not a big lanyard fan, but you put it on, you know, if you drop it, well, no problem. If you guys are interested in seeing another EDC light from ThruNite that I like to put in my pocket to use, check right here on the side. There'll be a video coming up, and I'll catch you guys in that video. Don't delay. Click on that, and I'll see you there. You want to see what happens next? Like and subscribe. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.